guys, all made out of Lego too. In the water. Pretty cool. Just it took a long time to make all this Lego, guys. Pretty cool. Remember, guys, can't fish all the time. We just got a pina colada at Joffrey's, guys. Is it good?
Yes.
Well, guys, we're waiting at the Rainforest Cafe right now. They're just coming down hard. It's pouring right now, guys. It's coming down bad. We got the tank, guys. Pretty cool at the Rainforest Cafe. Everybody's running, guys. It's really coming down now. We're waiting it out. We don't want to get soaked. It's lighting up a bit, guys. It's still raining, but not as hard. The sun's coming out a bit now. Leaving the Rainforest Cafe now. Hoping it clears up a good amount. Our reservation at the summer house on the lake is soon. So just gonna head over there. The sun's peeking through and it looks beautiful. It's still raining. These are the water cars, guys. They are actually like boats. You can take them out over here on the launch and take them across the lake. It's pretty cool. If I see them going, I'll show you guys. Nice American classics. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's some big fish going past right here. Wish I had my poles right now. I think they're hard. Pretty cool. I got my cheater so I can probably see them a little better than you guys. Pretty darn cool. Two of them just sticking together. Alright guys, we're here at the summer house. We got a reservation. Time to go eat. I just got a Florida Sunshine beer. She got a margarita with a salted rim. First appetizer, we got the potato salad double nice. Pretty good. That's really good. Alright guys, we're over in the cookie bar now. Just say
We're getting this one.
alright. We got some cookies. I can't eat one all by myself, so we're sharing. We're getting the pinky. Alright, let me know. Let me know how it is. You know how it is? Is it good? Good. More cookies, guys, more cookies. This is the butterscotch one, guys. The cookie's really good, guys, but it's really sweet. Still worth it, though. Definitely worth it, guys. Check out Gideon's if you come here. The line's really long, but it's worth it. So we're heading over to the movie theater that's over here now. We're going to go see Inside Out 2. Alright guys, now we're just waiting to see the drone show, the last thing of the night, and then we're going to head out, so I'll film some of that once it starts.
space station.
Good fire standing by. Watch that fire, boys. Watch it, you've got one on your tail. I have you now.
The force is strong with this one.